Hi everyone, in the previous two videos we started looking at a hypothetical company and started recording transactions 1 through 7. In this video we are going to finish recording the transactions, and in the upcoming video we are going to start looking at the closing entries. Transaction number 8 is where the company prepays rent in the amount of $6,000 to be used in the future. So that means we are paying, it's going to decrease our cash, and it's going to increase another asset called prepaid rent. Anything that is prepaid is considered under asset until we use it, and in closing entries we are going to see that once we start using them, we are going to reduce that asset type, the prepaid asset type, and we are going to record that as an expense. But for now we are recording the prepayment, so it's going to reduce cash and increase the asset called prepaid rent. Then the company is purchasing equipment for $6,000 with the notes payable. Property and equipment, they are buying $6,000 worth of PP&E, and they are buying it with a notes payable, which is a liability. So in this case our asset is going to increase by $6,000, and then our liability is going to increase by the same amount. The last transaction I want to record is borrowing from the bank. When you borrow from the bank in the amount of $20,000, that's going to increase your cash by $20,000, and then it's going to increase the liability account called bank loan by the same amount, $20,000. I'm writing these in T accounts because it's better visual, but I could record this as a journal entry as well. So what I would do is I would debit cash in the amount of $20,000. Let me write these here. And then I would credit bank loan, which is a liability account, by the same amount. Similarly here, what I would do is for transaction number 9, I would debit PP&E in the amount of $6,000, and notes payable is going to be credited by that amount. So this is another way to write these transactions. I prefer T accounts, but you can generalize the transactions this way as well. So in the next video we are going to start looking at the closing entries for the same company. We are going to continue analyzing ABC Inc. We are going to look at closing entries, and eventually we are going to build our income statement and balance sheet.